Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial of AWS, and in this tutorial we will be looking into the topic of S3. So S3 bucket, which is basically used to store the data, like the files and everything. So we will see how to do that, how to create the S3 bucket and all. So just go over here and type out the S3. So this is the first tab you see. Just click on this. So now we will see how to create a S3 bucket. So after that it will take you to this console. So this was the bucket which was created by me previously, which is deleted by me right now, and it is still there. I don't know for what reason. And let me just delete it. So I'm deleting this bucket. I don't want it anymore. And okay, so very first time when you come, so you will see the interface like this. So click on this create bucket over here. And after that over here you have to give the name of your bucket. Okay, so I'll say my first S3 bucket. And over here there is this ACL disable, so it is recommended. Like this is basically all the objects in the bucket, whatever objects you add, it will be owned by this account user. So currently I'm the root user, so it will be owned by this particular user. So over here it is already clicked that block all the public access. That means like anyone having the URL of the object what you're uploading to the S3 bucket, they will have the access to that. So if you just click on this, that means they will not have the access. Okay, so public access is basically disabled because of this particular reason. The bucket version is disabled, so there are no tags, nothing over here. Encryption time is server-side encryption with the Amazon S3 managed keys, and there are these advanced features which we will not look into right now. Click on the create bucket over here. The bucket with the same name already exists. My first S3 bucket. What is this? Okay, so now it is accepting this particular bucket name. I'll just come down below. I'll say click on this. I'll click on this create bucket. So now bucket has been created. So this is my particular bucket over here. So if I just click on it, so I'll see the interface like this with the upload button over here, in which I can just upload my files. So I click on this upload file over here. So after that I will see all this interface over here. I can add the files, I can add the folders. So I will do one thing. I'll click on the add file, and I will add this AWS logo only over here. I'll say open, and then I'll come down below and click on upload. So now that particular file is getting uploaded. So it is the AWS webpack kind of file. So if I just click on this, it will open that particular file of mine. Okay, so this is that particular file. So let's not go into that file right now. So I'll say click on cancel over here. So my file is over here inside of the buckets. There is this ux-s3 bucket over here. Let me just open that bucket over again. And inside of that there is this file. I'll just click on it. And this is the URL of that particular this thing. Okay, so this is the URL of that particular file which is uploaded by me. So I'll click on it. Okay, it is opening in the same tab. Let me just go back. Let me just refresh. Sorry for this inconvenience, guys. Okay, so what is going on? Okay, so this is that file. Let me just open it over again. So this is the object URL, the file which is uploaded by me. I'll just copy it. Okay, I'll copy it and open it in a new tab. I'll just paste it over here. So now as can be seen, like we are not able to access that file because we have restricted the public access. Okay, so we have to fix that. So I'll go to this bucket, my ux-s3 bucket. So after that I will go inside of the permissions, and there's block public access which we have enabled. We have to disable it. Okay, I'll click on it, I will disable it and I will save the changes. I will confirm my changes over here, and let me just refresh. So still we are not getting the access. Okay, so for that purpose we have to come over here and we have to write the policy. So for that purpose what we're gonna do, I'll click on the edit the policy. So over here we see this policy generator. Okay, so click on this policy generator over here. So select the type of policy, S3 bucket policy. Principal we give as asterisk because I want this policy to be applied like on everything. And do we have to select the action? Yeah, click on this get objects because we want to get the objects. Okay, and there is this Amazon resource name. We have to give the ARN number. ARN number you will find over here. Okay, so inside of this buckets Aksh-S3, instead of this we went inside of this edit bucket policy. So here is our ARN number. Copy this ARN number, paste it over here, and click on the add statement and click on the generate policy. So this is our policy. Just copy this particular policy over here and come over here and paste it. And now when it comes to our resources, we want to apply this policy on the resources. So give the forward slash asterisk over here. Okay, and come down below, save changes. So now we have successfully edited the bucket policy. So now if I just go to my bucket, and this is that bucket of mine, and here is that image. I click on that image. Here is that object URL. I'll just copy paste. So now as can be seen, we are able to see that image. So now if I just go to the incognito window and if I just paste that URL, still we are able to see the image. Okay, so this is all because of the policy. We just have to modify the policy for that particular bucket so that it is having the permissions to be, I mean, people are having the permissions to read that file or like objects publicly. Okay, so this is how we create a S3 bucket and add the file to it. So thanks for watching.